If you have a chronic cough after you eat, that could be acid reflux. And 99 times out of 100, it is caused by low acid. You don't have enough acid inside your stomach. The acid is therefore coming from the stomach into the esophagus because that sphincter won't close, and it's causing irritation that causes you to cough. Now, there will be a root cause reason. I think it's probably an H. pylori bacterial infection or an overgrowth of yeast or not having a gallbladder. Once you try to narrow down what that is using my free quiz at myacidrefluxquiz.com, then you can actually try something to get to the root of the problem. But it is not normal to cough after you eat. That sounds like what we call silent acid reflux.